Hi guys, we're back. We have a great time. We did a shout out to Shane from Shane's Craft Beer Reviews. Please check out Shane's Craft Beer Reviews if you haven't already. Great guy from New York, or Canada. Sorry, went up to Canada just recently. Hung out with him with a bunch of people, and apparently some people from New York too. Of course, Joe, Average Joe, Troll America, the Beer Patrol, and a bunch of people. So please check out Shane's Craft Beer Reviews. We have our pumpkins carved.
Here's what we're doing.
But yes,
You can't see them.
can't see it. Cheese battle.
Cheese off.
Cheese off. We got a cheese off. Who seems cheesier?
Cheese battle.
Wheel cheese, to be precise.
Wheel.
So, who are the contestants of this wheel cheese battle?
We have Wharton wheel cheese.
And we have Germania wheel cheese. We don't know where these cheeses come from. It is a trade secret.
We asked, and they were like,
Apparently, they get texts of where to meet them to get these cheeses.
parking lot at 2 a.m.
Exactly.
That's not a text. That was not a text.
That's a phone call.
I'm old.
Well, there you go. So, get your pager going and figure out where it's coming from. So we have two different cheeses. Now, this one's pretty crumbly. So
It's soft. That one's soft.
It is soft. Okay. Ooh.
That is crumbly. I like it crumbly. And this one was creamy, but this
I
one's
like
kind
it creamy.
of
So
a little more refrigerated.
Right. So you're gonna.
Uh-oh.
Yep. 2 and 2. So I'll take one. You take one.
This is this one.
Yep.
That's that one.
Okay. So Wharton and Germania. So we're gonna do Germania first. Okay. This might be the same book of cheese. That's nice. Creamy.
It is still creamy, even though it looks crumbly.
Yeah. Sharp.
Mm-hmm.
It's got a sharp end to it. It's got a sharp end to it. All right.
Next.
Wharton.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mm.
Did you really think you just took the same bite of the same cheese? No?
I have to go back then.
Yeah. We're going back. Because I think it got sharper, faster on the Germania.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, immediately sharp.
I'm gonna say the opposite about. I'm gonna say that about Wharton.
Really?
That was sharp from the get.
I think the Germania. We're gonna have to go deep on this one.
So I'm actually chewing them on separate sides of the mouth, and I think they taste the same.
I think they have a very similar taste profile, but I will say I had it twice now. The Germania cheese seemed to get sharper, more immediate, and then I like the creamy, sweet, creamy kind of thing of the Germania, or the Wharton rather, before it gets sharp. But I think they're very similar. Very good.
Eat them together.
I am eating on them. Oh, we should do that. Break me off a piece of that cake cardboard. Yeah. Big chunks of both. Let's go. Oh.
This one does seem creamier, the Wharton. I think you are a little right about the sharp and the creamy. But they're both damn good cheeses, and there's no winner.
They have the same taste components overall.
It's a sharp wheel cheese.
It's a beautiful sharp wheel cheese. I find that the Wharton is a little bit more creamy, a little bit more sweet, a little bit longer before the sharp hits. The Germania, the sharp hits faster, and it's a little bit more crumbly, as you can see as it's breaking apart.
And that could be just the age.
That could be the age. I still think I'm going with Wharton on my favorite, but Germania is really good.
I don't think that there could be a winner.
Okay, I like your thought
They
process.
are so similar.
If this was a little older, it would have the same compounds as this one.
Most likely. With the sharpness.
However, okay,
I like them both.
I will go by this. I will find Wharton to be the winner. Only because of this. Availability. It's always available at Wharton's. Presentation. You get to watch them cut it off the block at Wharton's.
It's actually really pretty cool.
It's awesome.
They have the standard wooden cheese round cover box.
Yep.
But it's on like a pulley on a string. Yep. And so they pulley it up off the cheese, and then it's on like a
Lazy Susan.
paper cutter Lazy Susan.
Yep. And then with a guillotine kind of thing.
Well, yeah, paper cutter. But it's like the knife was like a butcher knife.
Yep.
And you get a nice slice.
And however you want. They see this is like what they have sliced, and that's what you're
They
picking
had
from.
a few pre-packaged at Germania.
Yeah. This is you slice what you want and they wrap it up. So presentation and availability, I'm still sticking with the Whartons on that.
I think even maybe the price was probably better at Wharton.
It was $11.67, but for a big ass chunk. This was probably,
I think it was £1.25-ish.
yeah, this was a little bit less than that, but it was $7. So I mean that wasn't too bad.
I think it says.
What does it say? It says
6.7 pounds.
6.7. So I think it was about
0.67 pounds. So,
yeah. I think,
but this was £1.50. Oh, so they're probably similar in price then.
yep, similar in price. I'm only going by availability. Man. Look at how crumbly
That's
it is.
true.
It's falling apart in my hands.
Because the Germania store is now what, White Pine.
White Pine.
And so the new owners are getting in and getting on with the cheese business. She said she cut so many pounds of cheese in a weekend.
Yeah, right. So she has cheese. Yeah. She has the cheese. We just haven't seen it. But we can say they're very, very nice people who took it over from Colorado or Wyoming. So go check it out. Get it to Germania. Support the local businesses there. The Germania General Store, the Germania Hotel, and of course the Waldheim Tavern. There's also a great 18th century blacksmith shop there too, and you can get really good wheel cheese. But I'm going with Wharton. What do you think?
I don't want to choose because I think they're both great.
Some people Wharton, have to be Switzerland.
I do like your idea of the presentation. Mm-hmm. I buy it. Okay, Wharton wins.
But quality,
Germania,
they're both the same.
You have potential. You're just still new.
They're new.
And I saw their block and their knife at Germania.
Yeah, I did. I just never see cheese on it.
Yeah.
That's the problem.
Well, they were without for a while, so now to see that they have it is good stuff. Because people travel from states to get that.
Quality is 100% the same. Love it. Tastes great.
That was really good.
Just to go to this old general store in the middle of nowhere and actually have a tavern right next to it too. Definitely check out Wharton's. If you're in the Austin area, if you're checking out like the Austin Dam Ruins and stuff like that, or if you're coming up from San Mahoning, but make sure to get to Germania or a White Pine General Store in Germania, Pennsylvania.
Do it.
And that's been this cheese battle. And this has been Paul and Ryan.
And the cheese is
from PA Outdoors Couple. See you on the next one.
Cheers. Cheese.
Cheesers.
And get outdoors. Ooh.